conceal their advance to the enemy. Following the camel turn, I'm going to run in to show you a 360-degree wing over. This maneuver highlights why helicopters, especially Apache, are so dynamic. So on the Apache, one of those systems is the aerial rocket system. It's held in rocket pods on the outer edge of each wing. 4 variants of rockets available to the British Army, and each rocket pod can hold a mixed load of 19. On top of the main rotors, you can see a large dome. This is the fire control radar, primarily used to find targets. It can also be used to scan the terrain in poor weather conditions, assisting the pilots in safely flying the aircraft. The cameras sit on the nose of the aircraft. It contains a powerful optical zoom, as well as 2 thermal imaging cameras. The cameras constantly track where the pilots are looking, moving the weapon systems to match. Another weapon system is the Hellfire air-to-surface missile, capable of defeating targets up to 10 kilometers away. The Apache has 2 variants of this missile, a laser-guided variant and a radar-guided. The latter is a fire-and-forget capability, meaning the aircraft can fire at a target while concealed behind cover. The aircraft is now repositioning to run in for a gun break. The area weapon system is a large 30mm cannon located just under the nose of the aircraft, firing 625 rounds per minute, equating to approximately 10 rounds per second. Each individual round contains a high explosive and a shaped charge, capable of defeating armored vehicles and engaging targets over 4 kilometers away. Again, the Apache is scanning the battlefield, using the fire control radar, prioritizing targets. Descending with a 90 degrees nose down, twisting to the right to reposition the aircraft for a further attack. The maneuver being conducted at the moment is a wing over to the right. All UK Apaches are operated by the British Army, and application for pilot training is open to all Army personnel. This means that many of today's Army Air Corps pilots have a wealth of experience in a wide range of roles. "90 degrees nose up, followed by a 90 degrees nose down, demonstrating the maneuverability of this battlefield helicopter. Crew is now repositioning with a 270-degree wing over, known as a J-turn, to reposition back in, pulling the aircraft back into the hover or into a battle position where it can further scan the battlefield. One more gun break there, followed by that rapid deceleration into the hover. A real high energy maneuver there. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your attention today, and please put your hands together for the Apache helicopter display team. And may I take this opportunity to thank you, the British public, for your continued support to the United Kingdom's armed forces.
And a big thanks as well to Captain Murray Nichol for talking us through that display by the Army's Apache helicopter.
This is Alpha 1-0. We need to clear the compound. Enemy flying positions en route. Can you suppress? Hammer, roger that. Engaging now.
And now the quick reaction force is on its way to help the army troops.
Alpha 1-0 to Whiskey 1-1. Area secure for medevac. Whiskey 1-1, roger, approaching now.
Because they use a proportionate amount of force, British forces sometimes incur casualties, and they've therefore developed a very efficient medical emergency response capability. There was also an enemy casualty in this firefight, and they're given the same treatment as one of our own. The same time as the British forces are being casevaced, the enemy, injured enemy, will also be. This has been a successful detention operation with an unexpected additional immediate action rescue plan carried out in a professional manner by the Royal Navy, supported by the Army, including reservist personnel. The Seakings will now take the troops and the journalists to the flight deck of HMS Queen Elizabeth, which we recreated over in the far corner of the field.